When a luxury car depreciates by 50 or 60%, it forces a decision. You are either looking at a massive performance bargain, or you are staring at a financial trap designed to pass a previous owner's deferred maintenance onto you. Buying raw horsepower on the used market is the easy part. Anyone can find a cheap, fast listing. The real challenge is finding a genuinely healthy engine, filtering out poorly modified examples that will drain your bank account within the first 6 months. To help you navigate this, we are looking at specific U.S. market sedan configurations available in 2026. This isn't a list of the highest top speeds. We are ranking these cars by weighing their current used asking prices against engine desirability, everyday usability, and real-world running costs. Before you even look at a car in person, you have to clear the administrative baseline. Take the exact VIN and run it through both the NHTSA and BMW databases.
Fixes often apply to specific build dates, not entire model years. Verbal assurances mean nothing. If flagged, you need physical paperwork proving completion by a certified technician. Securing reliable performance means ignoring the temptation of cheap, flashy specs. You have to trade that instant gratification for an upfront investment in rigorous diagnostics and hard documentation. Starting at number 10, we have the 2021 to 2023 330e. Heavy depreciation places this plug-in below comparable gas-only 3 Series models. It provides useful electric commuting, but the original battery yields limited range compared to newer plug-in hybrids. That battery dictates your entire buying process. You have to charge the vehicle fully to verify electric operation, scan the specific hybrid modules, and cross-reference the original in-service date by VIN to confirm exactly how much battery warranty remains. Number 9 is the 2016 to 2018 M3 sedan. The F80 generation delivers genuine track capability with a real M-car steering, a bespoke differential, and high enthusiast demand. But those components drive up the operating costs significantly. A large portion of these cars have been aggressively tuned or run hard on tracks. You will have to inspect closely for repeated launch use and prepare for highly expensive tire replacements, brake jobs, and specialized differential services. Number 8 sits in a similar financial tier. The 2020 to 2022 M550i xDrive offers near super sedan acceleration from a twin-turbo V8. Massive depreciation has made this 523 horsepower output surprisingly affordable up front. The later N63 engine is a compact twin-turbo V8 stuffed into a highly complex chassis. Heat-related breakdowns, active suspension faults, and oil leaks mean your required maintenance reserve will quickly outpace the money you saved on the purchase price. Hybrids, true M-cars, and V8 luxury sedans all deliver thrilling highs, but their specialized nature means you must have a highly specific daily use case and a massive financial safety net ready to deploy when things wear out. Number 7 is the 2016 to 2019 740i. This is a strategy to secure a flagship cabin, an incredibly quiet ride, and immense depreciation discounts, while using the reliable B58 inline-6 to sidestep the catastrophic risks of a V8. But a reliable engine does not simplify the rest of the car. The chassis relies on air suspension, complex rear seat modules, and sensitive driver assistance cameras. When those fail, you are still paying flagship-level repair rates. Number 6, the 2014 to 2016 535i, is our extreme budget option. The facelifted F10 generation drops into the low teens, delivering mature highway behavior, comfortable seats, and traditional inline-6 power. Given its age, the N55 engine demands non-negotiable preventative maintenance. You must inspect the electric water pump's history, check the charge pipe for cracks, and account for inevitable oil filter housing and valve cover gasket replacements.
A depreciated purchase price never depreciates the cost of replacement parts. Buying aging tech or a former flagship is a false economy if you lack immediate access to a trusted BMW specialist and a dedicated independent repair budget. Number 5 shifts us to the modern core. The 2021 to 2023 530i is a heavily depreciated, highly efficient commuter. It offers a large cabin, modern technology, and prioritizes a very quiet, comfortable ride over aggressive performance. It lacks the distinct driving character of a 6-cylinder. You still have to pay for a professional inspection to verify the functionality of its active grills, screens, and localized cooling components.
Number 4 steps up to the 2017 to 2020 540i. This is a superior long-distance luxury sedan. It pairs the refined, spacious G30 chassis with the highly desirable B58 engine for excellent passing power and smooth delivery. To protect that investment, you need to lift the hood and monitor specific areas. Check the coolant lines for white residue, inspect the condition of the motor mounts, and look closely for any oil leakage around the filter housing. Number 3 is the 2017 to 2018 330i. As the final years of the F30 generation, it represents the ultimate affordability play, giving you access to the newer modular 4-cylinder engine at a fraction of the cost of a newer body style. The purchase price is highly accessible, and it retains familiar, simple physical cabin controls. However, you will notice that the interior materials, road noise, and overall refinement trail noticeably behind the newer generations. These mid-tier non-M configurations represent the safest return on investment for the average daily driver. They offer modern powertrains and excellent efficiency, while keeping your long-term operating costs predictable. Number 2 is the 2019 to 2022 330i. The G20 generation is the smartest 4-cylinder sedan on the market right now, boasting strong torque and excellent 8-speed transmission calibration. Because this car is so common, the market works entirely in your favor. You can afford to be ruthlessly selective, walking away from mediocre listings until you find a perfectly documented single-owner example. Pay close attention to the option sheet. Highly optioned models with large wheels drastically reduce the ride quality. And despite the proven engine, neglected electronic problems or skipping cooling maintenance will still trigger expensive dealer visits. The G20 330i delivers traditional BMW handling, modern safety tech, and great efficiency without exposing you to M-car expenses. It is an outstanding baseline, narrowly losing the top spot to a model with an exceptional 6-cylinder engine. Number 1 is the 2020 to 2022 M340i. It takes the top spot because it achieves the strongest possible blend of serious B58 acceleration, 3 Series daily practicality, and attainable used pricing. But this isn't a maintenance-free car. You must factor in higher insurance premiums and expensive tires. Most importantly, actively avoid any examples with undocumented engine software, aftermarket downpipes, or lowered suspension. This chart plots the used market by risk and reward. The stock M340i hits a sweet spot, delivering near M3 performance with remarkably low risk. Conversely, purchasing a tuned M-car or neglected V8 pushes you into extreme financial risk and costly repair bays. To avoid these traps, follow a strict protocol. Buy only stock cars, verify every documented oil change, and mandate an independent BMW specialist inspection. The smartest BMW is rarely the cheapest, flashiest listing. True enthusiast value is found combining a highly capable powertrain with a clean service history. Patience and rigorous inspection will always yield a better driving experience than shopping blindly for horsepower.